Today we have a 1997 Miyano BNE-46S. This machine has a Fanuc 18T control. Got a main spindle and a sub spindle, 2 turrets. We're going to run the machine now. First the main spindle, 500. That's 1500. That's 2500. And that's 3500. Now the sub spindle, that's 500, 1500, that's 2500, and that is 3500 as well. Okay, next we're going to run the live tool. We don't have a live tool mounted to the turret, but you'll be able to hear the drive engage. Probably can't hear it that well, but the live tool is engaged and rotating, and that's 2500 RPM. Okay. All of the turret tooling mounted to the machine will go with it, but we do not have live tools currently. Machine will come with an LNS Quickload 60 bar feed and a chip conveyor as well. Here's the lower turret. There we go. We forgot to jog the upper turret there. All right. Okay. Now wait, index. Did we index the lower turret? Okay. I'm jumping ahead. Okay. Once again, all that tooling will go with it as well. Great. Okay. Oh. Parts catcher. Parts conveyor, sorry. So once again, machine will come with all the tooling mounted, the LNS Quickload bar feed and chip conveyor. You can inspect this machine in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.